The smart home market is crowded with generic Wi-Fi switches and plugs that promise convenience, but often compromise on flexibility, local control, or developer-friendly features. Enter Refoss, a brand with a clear mission, empowering advanced users, makers, and smart home enthusiasts to build smart environments without being locked into a proprietary cloud. Their debut device, the Refoss R11 smart Wi-Fi switch, exemplifies this approach. Unlike most consumer-grade switches, the R11 provides complete JSON-RPC2 support via HTTP, webhook, and MQTT, giving developers and tinkerers full control. Whether you want to create custom automations, integrate with third-party services, or build your own smart home dashboard, the Open API opens the door to endless possibilities. The R11 doesn't just turn devices on or off. It helps you understand their energy footprint. Real-time energy monitoring with hour-level export and cloud-based statistics allows for smart energy management and cost tracking, perfect for eco-conscious households or technical enthusiasts. The Refoss R11 smart Wi-Fi switch is a standout option for anyone serious about smart home automation. While mainstream alternatives like Meros or TP-Link focus on simplicity and cloud-centric convenience, the R11 gives you control, transparency, and flexibility, the tools that advanced users crave. If you're building a custom smart home setup or simply want a future-proof, developer-friendly switch, the Refoss R11 is an excellent choice.